So the features are exclusive AI algorithm, 360 HD full coverage, super daisy chain connection, instant connection, universal compatibility, and 10-hour talk time. So next we're doing the unboxing. So first we have a USB-C cable. Next we have the manual, warranty card, and finally the speaker. Next we're going to look at the design. So at the top we have the mute button, then we have the volume up, answer phone, end phone, power on, we have the Bluetooth, and volume down. So next I'm going to show the Bluetooth connection. So you're going to want to make sure to press the Bluetooth button, then you want to make sure your Bluetooth is on, and then pair. Next, we're going to test the audio test. Okay, so I'm 3 feet away from the speaker. Can you hear me?
Yes.
All right, I'm going to step back like 5 feet. Can you hear me now?
Yeah, it sounds the same.
I'm going to step back like 8 feet. Can you still hear me?
Yes.
All right, so I'm going to mute it, so we'll test this. Can you hear me? Can you hear me now?
Yes.
So I'm gonna turn it up. It's at max volume. Can you talk? Say something.
Can you hear me?
Yep. Okay, I'm gonna turn down.
Can you hear me?
And turn down. Now can you talk?
Can you hear me there?
Yep. All right, so that's the audio test. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Wow, I can hear you really clear.
I'm not even talking that loud.
Really? It actually sounds like you're talking loud.
No, talking in my normal voice.
Yeah, the audio is really good on that speaker. All right, so that's the audio test on with the phone. That concludes the review. The speaker sounds great. Highly recommend.